time to wash the clothes. Oh, now you need to use your soap. Put it in the washing machine. Oh, you forgot your socks. Put the socks in. Here's some soap.
And soap. No, what that thing you need? What's it soap?
Close it up. Oh, you need one more thing at the laundromat.
Money!
Ask me.
Can I have money?
Sure. Here's some money. What? I need money. So put it in the washing machine.
Where did you play and who did you play with?
Look.
You played with Luke? Where?
Yes.
In the tent. Very cool. Who else can tell me where they played? Wyatt, where did you play? Not me.
F.
You played with Seth. Where? What's that? What is it? It's a
Tent. No.
in the tent? Tell me, say in the tent. Very nice.
Okay, our first step is to get supplies. Oh, look. We have everything that we need to make our spider. So we are finished. Our next step is to open an Oreo. Okay, guys, open your Oreos. You don't have Oreos. Do you need something?
Can I have Oreos?
Sure, you can.